Well guys, it's a new day. Unfortunately yesterday we took a little bit longer to try to work on my buddy's BMW than we thought it was going to take. So probably going to have to forego doing the canards and the rear bumper exhaust delete cover. So today what we're going to do instead, since I've got two shows this weekend we're going to go ahead and get the car cleaned up and make sure that I didn't miss anything like I usually do, and then we will, if we have time, try to at least get the rear bumper exhaust cut up, painted and mounted. I didn't want to bore you guys too much with just the interior cleaning, so I finished most of it off camera. So you can see, aside from the windshield, because it's too hot right now for me to do, I've got everything else as spotless as I can get it. The only thing I have to say that I don't like about these cars is the carpets are trash. It doesn't matter how much you vacuum, there's always little bits that just stick, and the vacuum, doesn't matter how strong it is, will not pick it up. Same with the seats. My mom's got a Husky, and as you can see, there's always remnants of that dog. So now we're gonna get it off the ramps and go ahead and start doing the outside wash, and I'll update you guys as I start doing that. All right, so today I'm gonna change up what I normally use. I'm going to try out Chemical Guys new, or I don't even know if it's new, Hydro Suds, and then I'm going to use, never use any Griot's Garage products, but I'm going to try their wheel cleaner. What I use is 2 buckets. I've got wash mitt, got a soft spoke brush, tire brush, and 2 detail cleaning brushes. And I usually put my water in this one, my soap in that one. And then I also have Chemical Guys, the Melon Snow Foam, which I use with my Sunjo pressure washer. And I do my wheels first. Well, first I spray the car off, and I do the wheels. And once I've got the wheels done, then I do the rest of the car, and then I dry it off. And once I'm done drying it off, I will use, oh, where did I put it? It's here somewhere. I've got the ammo, I've got ammo brute. I just don't have a 3rd bucket, but I use the ammo hydrate, which that stuff is ridiculously good. Their stuff is pricey, but Larry definitely knows what he's doing when it comes to making these products. So first things first, go ahead and get these buckets filled. Well guys, that's gonna wrap it up from here. Got the car all nice and cleaned up. I just gotta clean the inside of the windshield once it cools down just a little bit more, and give all the black plastic a little bit of a dressing and give it a quick buff, which will only take me a few minutes. But everything looks good. Not sure how I feel about the Griot's garage wheel and tire cleaner yet. I feel like the other ones I've used have done a better job. You can see these tires still kind of look a little brown, even with the amount of scrubbing I did on them. So I'm thinking I'm going to stick with ammo or chemical guys, just for the fact that the products have worked better for me. So but yeah, until then, take it easy guys. Hopefully I can see you guys at All Team Bash here in Little Rock on Sunday. If not, I will make sure to post some video of that and show you guys what that event's all about. Till then, take it easy and have a good one.